warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Little Neck Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2:30 p.m. Open waters from Little Neck Harbor to Michigan City. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds and water spouts was located near Hammond Marina, or 7 nautical miles southwest of Calumet Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Additional thunderstorms approaching from the southwest may also be capable of producing strong winds and water spouts. Hazard: water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Hammond Marina. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northwestern Indiana and the adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Waters of Lake Michigan. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water to the seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Thunderstorm warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 15 p.m. Warning for Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook. At 12:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near until 15 p.m. At 12:34 p.m. Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Roseland, South Shore, East Chicago, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Longport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Island, Blue Island, Munster, and Dolphin. This includes Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Prairie State College, South Shore Wildcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Amphitheater, Prairie State College, South Shore Wildcat Baseball, and South Suburban College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room